Can we recover a deleted Telegram account? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about can we recover a deleted Telegram account? So with that, the short answer is yes, but with limitation. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what you can and cannot recover. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's understand Telegram account deletion. So first note that Telegram accounts are permanently deleted if inactive for a certain period, usually 30 days, and once deleted, all your chats, contacts, and groups will be removed. And with that, let's go to the next topic, that is how you can re-register your account. So here, to recover your account, you simply have to open the Telegram app, and there you simply have to tap on start messaging, or here on the login page you simply have to enter the same phone number that you have used before. And after that, Telegram will send you a verification code via SMS, so simply enter it to log in. So here, while previous chats cannot be restored, you can rejoin groups and channels using the same number. So simply reach out to the contacts so they can add you back if needed. And with that, you can simply go to the settings, and now here in this section you simply have to tap on privacy and security. And now here under the privacy and security, you simply have to scroll down, and there under the option that says delete my account, you simply have to adjust the self destruction period to prevent accidental deletion in future. So simply select the time for you to prevent your account deletion, and with that, answer is yes. We can recover a deleted Telegram account, but your old chats will be gone. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.